Hi there guys, my name's Mark Gossage, bestbonusking.com. Welcome to my HostZPresso review. Now this is all about hosting your WordPress sites and things like that. Now I'm here in the cloud-based dashboard, but before we go through it and I explain everything to you, let's go straight on over to the best bonus page on the planet by clicking on that very first link right down below this video. That's if you're on YouTube. First link below this video is going to bring you to the best bonus page on the planet, telling you all about HostZPresso. Get unlimited hosting at a one-time price. Okay, pay once, a very low introductory price if you're here in the first few days of the launch, and you won't be paying any fees ever, monthly, yearly, or anything like that. Pay once, access and use for a lifetime. Tells you a bit more about HostZPresso. As you come down the bonus page, you'll see these orangey buttons. All you need to do is click on any of those, go over to the sales page, lock it in at the lowest price, as you can see, $19. One-time payment. I laugh because, you know, that's more like a monthly payment. You're only paying once. Upsells, $47.97, $67, $97, and $197. I haven't been told what the upsells were, but I do know the front end's $19, and if you're quick enough, you can get a few dollars off. Okay, I'll be showing you how to do that in a short while. There is a demo video here of HostZPresso that you can go through, and then my bonuses. Now, hosting, I'll give you bonuses that are really going to help you out here. Hosting your first website. It's a beginner-friendly video series. It's going to show you what you need to do if you want to succeed with your first website. Bonus 2, WordPress. We're on about installing WordPress. Most of you that's what you'll want to do. So I'm going to show you how to create profitable and high-converting websites using WordPress. So that bonus is really going to put you in the driving seat. Optimizing WordPress. You want to get it up there. You want it SEO'd. You want to get that free traffic from the search engines and rank highly in Google and other search engines. And that's going to show you what you need to do. This is how to optimize your WordPress site and make it search engine friendly. This is SEO made easy. Okay, so if you're going to say, well, you're wrong, I wanted to do HTML and build it out. Here's the bonus. It's going to show you exactly how to use HTML. This is the full video training, and also you'll get an audio as well. It's going to show you how to build your website using HTML, the hypertext markup language. It's really easy once you get to grips with it. Okay, might look hard at first, but believe me, for most things you only use a few tags. So you'll need a line tag to give it a break. You'll need your paragraph tag, how to add the image, things like that, how to make it clickable, how to make your links clickable, all in here in the HTML for beginners, for those of you that want to get started with HTML. New Marketer Masterclass. Once you've got your HTML sorted or your WordPress site, you're going to want to know how to get money out of it. This is how to get leads, sales on demand. Okay, newbie marketer friendly, everything's here. As I say, this is the New Marketer Masterclass, and that is an amazing bonus to help you do that. Vendor bonuses, you've got them all. I've also managed to team up with Jono again, and he's giving you the ClickBank Mastery course. You'll be able to promote products off ClickBank the right way. Jono's going to show you exactly how you should be doing that. He's going to show you how to be able to use it to do a bonus page builder. He's giving you the tutorial on that, how to build your bonus pages. Everybody knows people love bonuses. Without bonuses, it's so hard to promote anything. Jono's showing you the way there to get your bonus page up, running and making you the cash. Then you've got Boost Your SEO. Jono's going to give you more SEO tactics to take your site further. Also, the Fuego Breakout, he's thrown that in. It's a cloud-based app. It's going to get you a load of traffic, things like that. Absolutely fantastic training in there. And the bonuses as well again. So you're in for a load there. All you need to do, very first, link below the video, click on that, come straight over and lock it all in. Okay, now let's go over to the sales page here, and it's going to show you all about it, how to get unlimited hosting, as I say, for all of your websites. Okay, this is hosting, not domains. You'll still need to purchase your domains at GoDaddy and similar places, and then point them to this website, okay, or web hosting. Don't worry, there's videos in there showing you how to do it. It's super simple. If you get stuck, hit up support. They'll get back to you and explain it even more. Okay, it's so easy. It really is. Everybody's saying how fantastic it is. People are making money with the websites on there. It's all there, but it is going up. Okay, you won't need to be paying all of this, paying loads of money out to these places other than for your domains. Okay, you will need to purchase domains or have a domain. It will take 24 to 48 hours to set up the domain, and I don't mean you won't be working at that. It's only you'll be inputting a little bit, but it has to sort of propagate, as I call it. It has to tell them where that domain's pointing or sending them to all the servers around the world, or to a lot of servers anyway around the world. And so bit by bit, it gets there and they go, oh, you know, that domain name is meant to go to that website. Okay, and as I say, 24, 48 hours before you're up and running fully. Other than that, all super simple. One-time payment, $17. We're going to get it you cheaper. If you're there quick enough, it will be rising. A lot of people here say it's brilliant, and you're getting more bonuses. Okay, six-figure store builder. This is the software you need if you want to build your e-com store. Okay, ClickBank auto commissions, showing you how to do that, and insert name. Okay, this is going to turn any WordPress site, it's saying, into a personal Udemy clone with this one-of-a-kind WordPress plugin. So another great plugin, another great bonus, and you're getting that all for $17 all here. Now, it's hard really to take you through what it all does, but let's see the FAQ. How many websites? You can host unlimited websites. Okay, all you need to do is point your domains. Is there money back guarantee? 30 days on that. The offer is available. It ends on the 10th of June 2021 at midnight EDT. After that, it's going to go into subscription. In other words, a monthly payment where you'll pay monthly for hosting. So you need to get on this one fast. How does the quality of HostZPresso service compare? They're saying, in fact, it's a lot better. Okay, it's a lot better than your services like Bluehost and GoDaddy and all of that. So it's a top-notch website hosting. What restrictions? No restrictions, limitations on traffic, site content, number of files or backups. Transfer your existing, and they're saying, yeah, you can transfer your site if you've got one very, very easily from your current host. They've made it very simple, and there's step-by-step, even for people without any techie skills. It will show you exactly how to do that if you want to do that. What should you do if you're on the fence? And it says the smartest thing to do is get signed up, okay, and see if you like. You've got 30 days to ask for a refund. I've never set up a website before. We'll be able to do this. Yes, our user interface was designed with new marketers in mind. You won't need any programming, web development skills or anything, anything like that. In fact, setting up WordPress is super simple if you go in that way. WordPress is easy to use. There's a lot of tutorials. If you go on YouTube and type in, how do I do this with WordPress? How do I do that with WordPress? How do I do a post? How do I upload? How do I add an image? It's all there. There's so many videos on YouTube. You can spend a lifetime going through them. You really, really can. For beginners, intermediates, advanced, it's all there. So what does HostZPresso look like? Well, this is the dashboard. This is where you come into. And then what you've got to do is you log into your control panel with your username and password that you're given, and it looks exactly like that. Okay, your account, it's telling you there, your domain setup, how you can change them, the disk space you're using, the bandwidth you're using with your visitors, things like that, email accounts, FTP accounts, file transfer protocol like FileZilla, where once you've set it up, it's easy. It's like another window on your desktop where you can grab your files and folders and drag them across into FileZilla and it automatically uploads onto your hosting, onto your server. And then once it's finished uploading, depending on the size, could be a few seconds, few minutes, half hour. Once it's all uploaded, you can go on your website and there they are. Okay, now you don't have to do it that way. If it doesn't work or it's a big file, a lot of the time, and I'm just looking here, system info and files there, file manager. If you click on that, that takes you to file manager. And you can pull your files in here. Okay, they'll all be here, public HTML, things like that, depending on what you've set up there. I'm just trying to see now. Oh, here we are. Softalicious or Softaculous. Always say Softalicious. Softaculous apps installer. WordPress, Joomla, a bank card, PHPBB, SMF, WHMCS, Open Real Estate, MyBB, Dolphin, PH7 CMS, Laravel, OpenCart, Concrete 5 and Clip Bucket. Okay, now a lot of you are going to go for this first one and click on WordPress, but before we do that, look, you've got account manager there, email manager where you can set up your accounts there, email accounts. Have got advanced features all there, cron jobs, custom error pages, password protected directories, things like that, two-step authentication if you want to use it, system info and files, all there, file manager, system information, site summary, statistics, extra features, webmail, you can read your webmail with Roundcube, you've got PHP MyAdmin, Jet Backup and Softaculous Auto Installer. Support and help's here, so you've got help, you can create a ticket, go over to the support center, all here. Absolutely fantastic. Now, let's just have a look. Where was we? Extra features there and there. So let's come here. Let's click on here, see what happens. WordPress. And here we are. Okay, this is where to get to know what I'm doing because it's exactly the same as where to go. It's easy as that. Once your domain's set up, you just click on install now. It'll tell you what version you want to install. Always click, make sure it's the latest. It should be, yeah. That's the latest version they're doing. Keep that. If you've got that secure socket layer, HTTPS, then pick that. If you haven't, it'll tell you haven't. Okay, let's have a look. It's having a look. Yep, it's got it. If not, there'd have been a warning there saying can't find, the HTTPS, and you'd have to go HTTP. But you need that secure socket there. It is available free. You've got this here where you choose your domain. It won't be any of those, but whatever domain you've got. So you click on it, that would be your domain. Now, this is where a lot of newbies get stuck. WP, that is, let's say you purchased a domain named yourdomain.com. So it's HTTPS / yourname.com. Okay, now if you install this WordPress as it is with that WP there, it will be yoursite.com / WP to get to your WordPress site. Now some people want that so that they can use HTML or whatever on that front page, on that .com. Okay, so people can go to their HTML, their website, or WP for the blog. Now if you're going to do that, again, a lot of people don't do WP, they do blog. Okay, so then to get there, you would have your HTTPS, you'd have your domain name.com, and then / blog. Okay, and that'll take you to your WordPress site. Now you may say, well, I want my WordPress site on my main domain name. Okay, I want it in the root folder. If you want that, you come in here, you take that out. Okay, you leave that, sorry, click on the wrong thing, you leave that blank. Okay, and then you carry on down. Then site name, you put your site name there. You can change it later, so if you just want to get through it quick, you can leave my blog. Site description, you put like, the best website on the planet, whatever your site description is. Again, you can leave it. You can do this later in the dashboard of WordPress when it's been installed. Multi-site, if you want to do multi-sites, you can do it there. But if you're a newbie, beginner, don't understand that, leave it unchecked, just do your one blog site on there. Admin username, you're best to change that. Can do it once you've logged in, easier to do it now. A lot of hackers try admin and password as username and the password. So make sure that your password is super safe. Yeah, you're normally best to generate it here by hitting on this key, and it'll put one in for you. And even doing this, look, this is if you want it really strong. Watch what I'll copy that and I put it in again twice, and it's just gone to 100 out of 100. Before it was 65. Let's just take it out and show you. I think, yeah, 65 out of 100. So if you're going to do it, make it 100, okay? Just copy it in again so it's in twice, and it's there. Make sure you take a note of that password, save it into a document, save it into Notepad or anywhere, okay? I wouldn't just rely on Google saving it. Otherwise, you're going to have to do, you know, a lot of backdoor stuff to get to break in later. You're going to have to go sort of into your hosting, into your folders, and get into it through like your database. If you do, you'll find videos on YouTube, but make sure you do it right. You can get into the password there and change it, okay? Admin email, I would put a Gmail one there, up to you. Everything's there. Select your language. You can have it in any language you're using. English for most people. And then you come down here. If you want to limit login attempts, you can click that. Well, say click it, check that box, and it'll install that at the same time. And I believe the default, which you can change, limits it to 3 logon attempts, and you have to wait something like 20 minutes, half hour before you can try again. But that applies to everybody, including yourself. So if you forget that password, you've got 2 or 3 attempts, and then it'll lock you out, and you'll have to wait, you know, an hour or whatever before you can log back in. And again, you'll need your password. As I said, you can go into the database through your hosting and access the user database in there and change it there. Classic editor, if you're used to WordPress, you'd know you want that or not. Me, I'll leave it out. Advanced options, click on that. It tells you what your database name is. You can change it there, or you can note it down for further use. You can, again, you can get it from hosting here later if you want the database name, if you name it. Table prefixes there, and all of this here. Auto upgrade, do not upgrade to minor versions, only upgrade to any latest version. If you do these, what happens is, without you saying yes, it just automatically, a new WordPress version comes out and it auto upgrades, okay? The default is do not allow auto upgrade here. It means you've got to come in and do it manually. You can do it just to minor versions when it's a small update, or you can pick this one and it's any, even if it's a massive WordPress update that's going to knock out half your plugins. So be careful on that. Me, I have it on do not upgrade. I back up my sites before I do anything too much. What I mean by that is, if say I put one review up new since my last backup, I won't do a backup. Once I've done 2, 3, 4, once I've done say 6 or 7, I'll back it up because I don't want to lose any more than that. If I lose a few, then so be it. But I keep a backup, I download it to my desktop, and I also have it on an external drive plus another drive in the cloud. Okay, and back it up to the cloud. Then if somebody hacks my site, if it goes down, it takes me about an hour and I'm back up and running, you know, to exactly the same as a few days ago with my backup. Yeah, I don't keep a backup like every single review. It does mean I might lose a little bit, but I always back up once I get to the stage where I think I don't want to lose any more than that. Okay. Sometimes when you update your plugins, it can go crash. So it's always best to back up before you update your plugins. Again, I must admit, I do most of the time, but not always. Sometimes I just go click, click, click. It's if there's a load of plugins need updating and it looks like the more than one version ahead. You know, you've missed out, you haven't been in for a time and you're behind. Back up first, okay? Then do your plugins. And it's always best, and believe me, it really is, update one plugin and load your website, make sure it's working. Update another plugin and check again. So if it does crash, if your site crashes, you know which plugin it crashed on. So when you put the backup in, you do not update that plugin until you find out why it's crashing. Update the others, okay? And do them one by one as well, just in case another one crashes. Very rare, but it does happen, okay? That's all there. So we've got it here. Auto upgrade, we know about that. Backup location, you can put in there where you want that backup to go. Automated backups, don't back up once a day. You can put it on auto. Me, I use a manual one. Backup rotation, how many you want to rotate, and then you get to choose a theme. Again, you can do this once it's loaded, so don't worry too much. Okay, email your installation, let's say to Gmail. Okay, I'll leave that out because he's not really doing it. And then you'd install. Okay, you click install and it's going to just load it on there. Once it's installed, you can log in and do everything. So as long as you've kept your login and your username, you'll be able to log in. You'll have your WordPress site up and running. Easy as that. Great hosting, one-time price. Now I did say we'd try and get it cheaper. Here it is. I couldn't find the sales page then. As I say, come over and have a look there. $17. Now all you got to do is get a click off, I believe. So if we refresh, as I say, it only happens once. So you're going to get $5 discount if you're here. $5. It's all right, I thought I'd seen it wrong. $5 discount if you're here quick enough. Now, let's go over to the bonus page. First link below the video. And then it's 19. 5 off, $14. It's a giveaway. $19 is too cheap. It really is. You're getting lifetime access, one-time price. You can't miss out on this. If you haven't already got unlimited hosting at a one-time price, grab this, guys. Okay, it's all there, all training. Also on the bonus page was that demo video. Come and have a look. See them doing it. Start to finish. 7.5 minutes there. It's going to show you. So that demo video. First link. YouTube, first link below the YouTube video. Click on it, you're on my bonus page. And as I said, click on any of these buttons. So, go over to the sales page, get your $5 off, secure Jono's bonuses and my bonuses. Massive bundle deal, massive offer. Don't miss out. Okay, so all I can say is take care, stay safe, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. Make sure to grab it though, guys. You really will kick yourself if you don't get it in the next few days. Bye for now.